Hello, thanks for being here. Today I'm making baked mac and cheese, but I'm going to use the box mac and cheese, and you'll never know the difference. Let's get started. So here I have 3 tablespoons of melted butter. This is a half a cup of carnation milk. I'm going to put 1 egg in here. Ooh, almost lost that one. Oh, come on. I have some seasoning, my Danos. And I'm going to keep it around in case I need to add some more later on. And I have some butter dust, Danos. I'm going to put some pepper. And I'm going to add some more parsley, dried parsley. Dried parsley. Get in there. We're just going to mix this. There you go. We're going to set it aside. We're going to add some salt. Add the macaroni in here. Stir them to make sure they don't stick. And we're only going to cook these for about 8 minutes or so. Because these in the box, this pasta cooks differently from the box that the other brands. I don't know why, but these will cook really done quickly. So be careful, okay? It's been 7 minutes. We're going to rinse them in cold water and set them aside. We wanted to stop them from overcooking, which is one of the reasons why we cook them. And you want to cool them down because you don't want it to cook the egg. So here's the package. Let's get this in. Let's get that stirred. Here's our egg and milk and seasoning mixture. Did I tell you it was a half a cup of carnation milk and 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of butter, melted butter. And I put my seasoning in here with some pepper and some parsley. Now I have some cheese, and this is a third of a cup of sharp cheddar, third of a cup of Havarti, and a third of a cup of double cheddar. See that? And if you want it cheesier, of course, add you more cheese. But I like to taste the macaroni too. I don't want to be overwhelmed with cheese. Some people love it that much. Give me all cheese. Uh-huh. My oven is heating up at 350. Can you see? Okay, I've greased my pan with some butter. Gonna get that in there. That makes quite a bit, doesn't it? Hold on. Top this with some cheddar. And these have a little ice. Has ice in it. It'll be alright. This is Gruyere. And the little leftover cheese I had just for the top. Oven isn't quite ready. But when it is, we're going to put it in and we're going to let it cook for probably about 45 minutes or so. We'll see. Okay, we're going into the oven, like I said, for about 45 minutes. And I'll see you when it's done. Covered for about the first 25 minutes and uncovered for the rest. After 25 minutes, I've taken the top off and we're going back in for another 25 minutes. We'll see. That's been 45 minutes, and as you can see, it's very, very hot. We're going to let it cool for a minute, and we're going to give it a little taste. Let's give it a little taste. Oh, did I just do that? I sure did. See how that cooked like that? I love it when it's like that. That's just cooked cheese. Brown cheese. And it's delicious. Just want to give it a taste. Super hot. Here you go. I had to add me some more pepper on there. You know I love my pepper. Okay, let's give it a taste. Delicious. I'm going to fry some catfish. Find some green. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Until next time, you stay safe, you stay well, and you stay blessed. And remember that God loves you, and so do I. Later. Hey, don't forget to pray.